should I say good afternoon because it is now 4 o'clock. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm starting the vlog completely late. Oh boy. Alright, let me drink out my elephant head. Do you like my new cup I got at the dentist yesterday? I forgot to tell you I got this at the dentist yesterday. I also forgot to tell you that what's up with this generation? The future generation sucks, to be honest with you. When I was a kid, there was no iPads. Well, I'm technically still am a kid, but I'm talking about when I was you and Spencer's age. And Sadie's age. There were no iPads. Actually, there were iPads when I was Sierra's age. First iPad, I think. No, I don't know when the first iPad came out. But I didn't have an iPad when I was their age. I didn't have an iPhone. I didn't get an iPhone until May 11th, 2017. And that's this year. But yeah. Alright, guys, how's it going? It's me, Savannaguyyt! Yeah! Woo! Sorry. I had to yell because the train's right behind me. See? There's a train right behind me, and I'm with Sadie's Abby Cadabby. Hi, guys! Crazy Abby. Crazy Abby! Sadie, I got you, Crazy Abby! My God, my voice is hurting because I'm yelling in the camera. So you guys can hear me because the train. But Sadie's like right all over there. Hey! Sadie, I have your Crazy Abby you ordered. We're going to Sarah's house because Jessie is going to be home soon from work. Well, not from work, from doggy school because Tor started doggy school last week. And I forgot to mention it in last week's vlog that he started doggy school. And I was supposed to have art class last Wednesday, but it never happened because no one likes art classes. So it got canceled, yeah. Especially Bob Ross art class. What are you doing?
Writing children. Fences.
Alright. Tell them to check out your YouTube channel.
Check out YouTube channel because she made me a slideshow.
Tell them to check out my flipagram.
Okay. Check out her flipagram.
Because I made you a slideshow for your birthday party. Check out the flipagram. My flipagram. If you have flipagram, go check it out. I made a flipagram for Sadie for her birthday party. It's lit. It's lit. It's everyday, bro. It's everyday, bro, with the Disney Channel. Guys, Logan Paul is crushing Jake Paul, by the way. Just giving you a heads up. If you're a huge Jake Paul fan, then you're going to be mad when I say this, but Logan Paul is crushing Jake Paul. Like, Logan Paul is at 10 million subscribers. And Jake Paul is still at 9 million subscribers last time I checked, and that was like 2 hours ago. But yeah, go check it out.
Really? No, I'm not.
Yeah, say hi.
Hey.
Hi! I'm trying to do a family friendly vlog. So thanks.
I'm the friendliest family you'll ever have.
Not really.
You should put that in the clip and be like, sorry about that. Sorry about that. And sorry about that.
Sorry about that, he's an asshole. Didn't say that. I know that right about your time.
Jesse, you're so mean to yourself.
I'm so mean to everybody.
How am I mean to myself?
Because you just called yourself an asshole on camera.
I'm just funny. I'm just a funny person.
Guys, Jesse does not know how to make a hot dog.
You do not know how to make fucking cereal.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, that's easy. All you do is get it warm.
You don't even know how to make bread.
Actually,
You put in the toaster.
No, you don't. That's toast.
okay, guys. Good afternoon. We're gonna do a 2-day vlog instead of a 1-day vlog because I didn't have enough clips for yesterday's vlog to be a vlog. So we're doing a 2-day vlog. Okay, bye. Alright, sorry guys. I didn't really record that much today because I've been pretty much busy. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.